Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you that how I do my nail care routine, and you can do it in the same way. And in that way, your nails are going to be more healthy and strong. These are not going to break easily. So if you're ready, let's start. First thing first, the first step of your nail care routine has to be the cleaning part. You have to clean all that things which are lying on the front of your nail. It can be nail paint or any kind of dirt. Using some cotton and nail paint remover, you have to clean it first so that our nails can be ready for the other things that we are going to do. After cleaning it, now I am just going to soak my nails for about 5 minutes into the hot water. This is going to numb my skin and going to make my cuticle skin more soft so that it can be more easy to clean out the dirt below that. After soaking for about 5 minutes, now I'm using a cuticle pusher to push back the skin of my cuticle area so that we can clean the dirt underneath that. If you don't have any cuticle pusher, you can use the back of your spoon. It is also convenient. After doing this, now I'm going to scrape out that dirt and that skin which is lying in the cuticle area, and it is easily going to get removed after we have soaked our nails for about 5 minutes in water. So that way it is going to get removed, and you can see I'm doing this. After removing that, now it's time to cut the dead skin of our cuticle area, and in this step you have to be really precise. Remember, if you're a beginner, I suggest not to follow this step because sometimes you might hurt yourself and it might bleed as well because you can cut the healthy skin. So you have to be really careful while doing this step and just use a nail cutter and do this. After doing that, now it's time to shape our nails, and you can give shape to your nails according to your wish. I like square nails, so I am going to equally file my nails in square shape, and you have to straightforwardly shape your nails. You don't have to go up and down. That way it is going to break your nails or make them look more fragile. So you have to scrape it using a sharp end scraper. And you can see how I'm doing this. After shaping my nails, now I'm going to use this transparent nail paint to coat my nails. And remember, you do not need much quantity, just apply little and spread it across the nail evenly so that you cannot mess the nail paint. And it is really easy, just apply little and spread it all over. And you can see how I am doing this. That way you have to do it the same because it prevents our nail from all the dirt and excess things which we do in our day. So after using that, it's the final step, which is going to be the moisturizer. Now I'm going to use a moisturizer mixed with coconut oil on my cuticle area so that it is going to help my nails to grow faster and stronger. Moisturizing your cuticle area is the most important step of your nail care routine. And after finishing moisturizing, you can see how strong, healthy, and beautiful my nails are looking. So if you have enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another video. Bye guys. Thank you very much for coming to my channel and follow this. You are going to have the same strong and healthy nails.